The pretzel in here is just adding that nice little kick of saltiness. It's delicious. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. We're still on that small batch party food train, and you know what? We are headed right to a tasty dessert. So many cereal bar recipes make a ton of servings, like so many servings. Since we are in small batch party food land, today we're making some brown butter, cereal, and pretzel bars that make 2 to 4 servings. This recipe is super quick, so delicious. I think you're gonna love it, so let's do it. This recipe moves super fast. So we're gonna start by prepping our pan. You want everything ready to go before you start cooking the butter, browning that butter. All right, so a little parchment on here. If I can get it in here evenly. I like to fold the edges over. I think it makes it easier for everyone. All right. And everyone, I mean me, makes it easier for me. All right, so that's gonna hang out. And I've got my marshmallows and my cereal all ready to go, but the pretzels we're gonna do a quick chop. You need about a half a cup. I like them in here because they add a little extra crunch and they are salty, so it's a nice yummy balance of like sweet and salty and brown butter flavored, that nutty flavor. Oh, so good. So we're just gonna roughly chop them, and you can go a little bit smaller if you want. I like a little bit bigger pieces. All right, that's gonna be good. Oh yes, more than enough. Okay, lovely. All right, like I said, everything's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and start cooking some butter. We are going to start by browning our unsalted butter. There's 3 tablespoons here. And we're just gonna cook it until it is gorgeous, lightly brown, nice and nutty. It'll take a minute, but it'll be so worth it. And honestly, this goes by really quick. So again, everything's ready to go. It's just once this butter is lightly brown, we'll need to mix everything together. So be ready. All right, this is nice and golden brown, so you're gonna go ahead and turn the heat all the way to low. Add in your marshmallows. Yes. A splash of vanilla extract. There we go. And you're just gonna mix this until everything's melted. Now, if you notice that your butter is browning too fast, you can go ahead and take this off the heat, but I feel like it needs a little bit of heat just to continue to melt all these marshmallows. Oh, it's gonna be so good. It smells so delicious already. Can't not wait. All right, that looks fantastic. We will take it off the heat completely. Boop. And then mix everything in. Yes. Yes, and everything. The 2 remaining things, you just want to give them a nice coat. Everything gets a little brown butter marshmallow on it. Oh my god. Also, it's really hot, so don't get it on your fingers. Ooh, that burns a little bit. It's fine. Maybe I need a bigger spat. Yeah, I probably do. Let's get that real quick. A little elbow grease in here to make sure everything gets coated. Okay, this looks great. Everything seems to be sticking together. Fantastic. While it's still super hot, grab your prepped pan and everything goes in. Every last piece of cereal goes in. There we go. And then kind of get it in there evenly. I also like to have a couple whole pretzels to go on top because I think it looks pretty cute. You know, we want to make things look pretty. So we'll stick some of those on there. Maybe 1 more. 5's a good number. Boop. Then, these little pieces of parchment make it great to evenly press everything into your pan. Oh yeah, that's about it. How do you look? Ah, so good. It looks so good. Sticky marshmallow. All right. This just needs to cool completely. It takes no time at all, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. And once it's nice and cool, we'll give it a little cut and eat it up. These look great. Pop them out of here. Ah, yes. So good. You can cut these however makes you happy. I like cute little triangles. Ah, so good. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. Don't they look great? All right, now before I take a bite of this delicious cereal treat, you know the drill. If you haven't yet, make sure to check out some of my favorite small batch party food recipes, which you can find right here. Go do it, okay? Love. Sweet, salty, that brown butter flavor, yes.